This is Sonar. Today we learn about a Python. What is the meaning of Python? I am already say what is a Python, why we are using Python, websites, applications. I am already some videos in previous videos. Okay. Now I am here. No problem about a Python exams. Okay. And few days I have a Python exam. That's why I am preparing now. Today, simple explain. I have a write an exam, write a book in college notes. Okay, in Python course. That's why I am what I am writing my notes. That is today we are implemented of in front of you. I am script tell about what I am write. Okay, the topic is Python history. Okay, Python history. We see Python history. Python was concluded in 1980s. It was concluded in 1980s అంటే కనిపెట్టడం జరిగింది 1980లో జరిగింది అనమాట. ఇట్ వాజ్ ఇంప్లిమెంటెడ్ డచ్ ప్రోగ్రామర్ గైడ్ వ్యాన్ రోసన్. Okay, it is implemented by ABC language program. Okay, that is first version. And it is famous. It is taken for the Python name is famous British comedy show. Okay, the show name is Monkey Pythons Flying in Circus. Okay, it was so much of lecturers have say it is implemented by C. That is right. Okay, that's also right. But basically we know we have this is also copyright. First of all, take copy, then it is original sarang. That's why Python is different to other languages. It is short code and it is also running like that. Okay, we learn the topics main and few days have a exam, Python exam. Applications, Python applications. We have n number of applications. Web application. మాకు నువ్వు చెప్పింది అర్థం కావట్లేదు అంటావు. అప్లికేషన్ అంటే ఏంటి చెప్తే చూడండి. ఆల్రెడీ కొన్ని వీడియోలో చెప్పాను వెబ్ అప్లికేషన్ అంటే ఏంటి. రైట్, వెబ్ అప్లికేషన్స్ మీన్స్ వీ హ్యావ్ mobile phone, we have WhatsApp, we have Facebook, Instagram, and number of websites we open. That is called web applications. We created web applications uses in Python. Not only use Python, C++, Java, and number of courses you use. But Python is different. It is code is implemented. See, we see applications. I am simply tell about some few applications. Mm, we write applications is not only it is uses for the software. Applications always different. Which one we created application because first of all write anything data visualization, right, and images 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 videos, not only videos, n number of games game applications, web applications, n number of applications have there in the Python. Okay, then we talk about futures. What is the future? The Python program future is nothing but it's provide efficiently a number of applications of futures. Tell about futures. Number one, simple. Number two, number three, number four, number five, number six. Okay, dynamic, large, standard, library, large standard library, high level language. Not only okay, high level language, are portable. Okay, and rubbish not all, okay, impedentable, impedentable, existensible, um, objective orientated. Okay, we learned about what is a simple. Simple means Python always creating program simple, like we understand the any program is I will see in the C language, that is I cannot understand, but Python is understanding to the our mind. It is like a single line codes, then it is a different of Python. Okay, and large library style, it have two types are there: module and package. It's both are same, but is created two types, like files programming, and which is called folder files called it. That is called library standard. And dynamic, it is statical diamond, dynamically language, like C, Java, Python. Those are language. These are also Python language. And high level language, it is uses for to the like a mission. We have a number of missions, how to we instruction to the mission the code, that is called binary language. That is use high level language, it is used for Python future. And impedance mode, this impedance modes, another code is placed on the Python program. Okay, extensible means this Python program is placed on another language. Okay, objective oriented, this means like a classes, objective oriented objectives, and numbers are there. Okay, another is robust. Robust robust means robustated, nothing simple. Once again, then I will. Robust means it is waste of the memory is cleaned. A number of memories as we miss out. That memory as wasted is deleted in rubbish. Okay, Python always is different. We know Python. Okay, users are completed. What is there in here? Okay, logical operators in Python. Okay, logical operators in Python is means three logical operators are and are not. Those operators also in the place on the mathematical index mathematics. Okay, we see and second year mathematical in Python is both same, but it is implemented some logic of we know, we later know second year, so they know how to use arithmetic operators in mathematics. Okay, I am simply tell about math. End means true. Okay, or means false, not uh, uh, not, this is different. True, false, false, true. Okay, that is nothing there. We have bitwise operators. Here bitwise operators are there. Bitwise operators will be on the binary values. I am already saying machine can understand binary language. This operators will be understand the like a bitwise operators. Their use machine can understand binary language. We have a doubt. What is the meaning of binary language? Binary binary language. 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 0 0 0. Those called as binary language. We don't know, but we calculate them. Okay, uh, bitwise operators uses for calculation. We have already have calculator in mobile and anything. That calculator uses for mobile bitwise operator strings. Hmm, okay, bitwise left shift, right shift, and or exit. Okay, I'm already say there is no problem. I am always saying programs another video I will show it. Okay, no problem it. And tell about membership operation. Operator, not operation. Membership operator. It have member. We have two membership operators in Python. In, not in. In means those are must and should be follows a boolean expression. What is the meaning of boolean? Boolean is nothing but true or false. It's right, then true. It's wrong, then false. That is called boolean expression. Okay. Membership operator will be check particular value present corresponding collection or sequences. Okay. I'm example tell x y z x y x x y. Those are called true. I am say those numbers are not there. Another variable I am created here. It is not a. It is not in, not in. Okay, not in. Those value x value here, x value here, y value here, z value here. It's a in operation, in operator. That x y z, that another variable have here. Yeah, it is not matched here. That's why we called false. We called a false. Okay, that is member operation. Okay, identity operators. Okay, what is the meaning of identity operator? Identity operators also two types. Is not. Is means it is also same like that. Here there is. Okay, x value are there. Is another like not is like this. No matched. Matching values is not matched. That is not is. Simple. That is okay. Now we are control statement in Python. What is the control statement? The control statements have a three types. Okay, three types. What is the three types? Uh, Conditional statement, looping, statements, and jump statements. Okay. hmm Conditional, one. Okay. Second one is looping, looping. Third one, jump. Okay. Conditional means if, else, if, those are etc. etc. Okay. What is the looping? While loop, for loop. Those are called. This is break. Mm, Another break. Continue. Another pack. Keyword, etc. Okay. Those are the control statements. Three types. Okay. Then I have problems in next video. Okay, no problem. We have always saying no directly concept. That's why today I will share about concept. Okay, because few days I have exam. I am also preparing like this. And it is also covering my preparation exam. Okay, range data types requires three values: start, stop, step. Okay, what is the start? Start start the value range. Stop means end of the value range which has the node of include. Step means the difference between to the range and increase decrement values. Okay. Mm, hmm. What is the token? Token. What is the token? It is nothing but What? Poke, poke, T-O-K-E-N, poker. Hmm. What is toke? Toke is smallest individual unit in program is called as toke. Toke is nothing but it is smallest unit. Okay. Toke have mm, five long Python long text operations: keyboard, identifier, literals, data type, operations. Not operations, operators. Okay, I miss out the operators. Mm, okay, this is main important uh, rules in the identity in Python. Identifier should not be keyword. Identifier should not be keyword. Identity can be start with digit. Identity can be start with digit. Boolean space character is the allows it, that is underscore. There should be not any specifical between that identifier. Maximum length of identifier unlimited. Identifier can be defined upper or lower. Assignment operators. Okay. Assignment operation. Assignment expression. Okay. Assignment expression is introduced in Python 3.8 version. Okay. It's called version operation binary operators. So we know already that binary language. Assignment operators will tell about simple assignment, multiple assignment, chained assignment, augmented assignment, unpacking assignment, wildcard assignment, tuple and list assignment. Tuple and list is very important. That's later way I will explain. Okay, conditional assignment. Okay. Hmm. While loop requesting three statements. Okay, initialization statement, conditional statement, update statement. Initial statement defined individual value of the condition. Okay, we important the some points. Conditional are boolean expression which is the defined how many times will loops has to repeated update statement, which is the update conditions. Okay. Avira. Formatting string in Python. What is the meaning of Python? Literally I will tell about strings. Okay, first we have how to formatting string. Several methods are there using f string. Okay, using str dot formatting function, using formatting percentage operator, using str dot formatting. Okay, a number of there we follow some several. Okay. Hmm. Using I am already say, I'm always saying topics is coming. Okay, what is the meaning of function? I'm literally some video. What is the meaning of the function? I'm already say that in this video. I am simply say what is form. Form is a function. What is the function in Python? Function is nothing but it is a block of code. Okay, use write once, read many times. Okay, that is called a definition. And benefits of function. What is the benefits? మనకి ఏదైనా పని చేసాం ఇంకా ఏదైనా దానివల్ల లాభం లేకుండా ఏ పని చేయం కదా. మన తెలుగు అలవాటు అలాంటిది. ఓకేనా. నౌ బెనిఫిట్స్ ఫంక్షన్ రీయూజబుల్, రీడబిలిటీ అండ్ debugging, collaboration. Reusable means once write code use many times. Readable clear and organized full-fledged code. Debugging easy to correct. If any code running, the error is called as debugging. This sentence you have easy point of the error. Collaborating. It is collaborating multiple using programmers. Okay, we have a tasks for while working functions in Python, defining function, calling function. Okay, okay, okay. Mhm. Okay, what is the lambda function? So much of my dear friends who are tell me about lambda function. Lambda function means Pusparaj. We already say in the Pusparashima. He front of name Puspa front of no initial. That's why he suffered. Like lambda also no initial front of. Okay, write a code. Write a code in n number of lines, but lambda function is write a single line for sporage type. Okay, you understand lambda function? I think uh, lambda function is the smallest anonymous function without name, and that is I'm already say in front of initial announcement. I don't know, I can't spell out, but I will write what is the um anonymous anonymous. Okay, those are in front of lambda function is different, but it's a single line code like Pusparaj. Okay, later I syntax also is different. mm, okay, lambda function have a three functions. Okay, map function, filter function, reduce function. What is a map function? Map function is transfer to the data. Filter function means it is access to the filter memory of the functions. Okay, what is the reduce? Reduce means it is a code of the less press of the length of the code is like a use for little amount of code is given by press of reduce the code. That is, I'm simply once again I'm telling about what is the map function. Transforming each element data. Okay, transforming each element. Okay, uh, filter means select element based on the condition. Some elements are selected but their condition is followed must and should be filter. Maps can be followed the transfer the element. Okay, reduce means combines all elements into RAM. A number of elements are trusted in formation one result that is called reduce. Okay, LEGB rule. What is LEGB rule? We learn about full form. What is the L? Local, E for enclosed, G for global, B for built-in rule. Okay, what is those? This rule defines how Python looks up variable and resolve names within a program. Okay, a local, the innermost of the scope. Okay, I simply explain. We'll learn up to n number of definitions are there, but what we can understand that is right in exams. That is good for our career. Okay, what we learn that is um, okay. I can give example. X equal to 30. Okay, diff that is f2 function has equal to x equal to 20. Diff f1 equal to x equal to 10. Print, I call print x, not only f1 f2. I call print x. Okay, f1 function, f2 function. Okay, what is the What is this? We learn about code. Okay, this is example for GLEGB rule following. Okay, this is called hashing. Free processor directly. What is meaning hashing? Sometimes ask free processor directly. Free processor directly. This is global. Glo- Global enclosed enclosed local print means built bit built built in. Okay. This is called global. Definition x equal to enclosed. X global local. This is built in. What is those print? In comment section, then I will also write output what is given. Okay, I think how many persons, how many students, how many my dear friends seeing this video, there must and should be what is the meaning of output in the comment section. I think I am really another person. If any person is seeing my video, please subscribe and best motivation. I think you are subscribe my videos. I will motivated, but later I motivated or not, that is not maybe. But please try to subscribe. Okay, let's we go to topic. Output we are expecting print. Print always what is the given instruction. Print so many given output so many. That is called print x. Okay, we have also defined x equal to 20, diff 1 diff 2 equal to 10. Okay, but x equal no diff. If you want this output in print x value as x place will place replace it, have to then play output 20. That now in this program is whole program given output 30. The 30 x equal to 30 is global, that is given output. Okay, I think you you know LEGB rule. I think you have an idea. Okay, what is the module? Module is the Python functions, variables, classes. Okay. Once I am telling what is the module. I do what is the module say. I'm simply say the module we follow functions, classes, variables. Okay. Module can any dot py file. Module. If you use module that will have dot py. That is main. So module. Okay. I think. Python is code is will be logically easy error uses for this is Sodi. Simply what is the module? Module means dot py is called as a module. That is main and module program. Okay. I like I have a project idea. Which type of code uses for the project? I will choose John's Johnson module in Python. This code is uses for data exchange to another model. Like your another phone data how to come to the our model in our mobile, that is called data sharing exchanging of module web application creation list. Okay, Johnson module also told um, serialized. Okay, serialization converting Python objects in Johnson string Johnson data is called a serialized deserialized Johnson, that is called a data sharing to the serialization. A number of topics as Sir has explained, but I what I am interested in topics that I will write in my notes. Another some topics I can't understand that topic sometimes I write, but I can't write it. That is I follow. Okay. What is string in Python? I already say in little Python string. Now I am say what is string? It is non-numeric data type. Means mm, like okay. String is immutable sequence data type. After creating string, changes cannot be done. Means we create a string, but we create a string, but we can't change programming. Okay, create a string, but we can't change program. But that's that is called definition. Non-numerical data type. String mutable sequence data type create a collection of characters. Those characters will be alphabet digit or specifical characters. Okay, how to create string? Created is represented with single quotes, double quotes. Quotes means quotes. Single quotes, double quotes, triple quotes. Okay, function. Function are called. Mm, friends, raw string. This means, and simple explain. It means the print we have a print any number like 9 dot r means it's directly print like colon also 9 1. That is called raw string. I will simply explain of definition. Raw string prefix r is called raw string. Raw Python raw string reads the backslash character like little character. You can create a string to Python prefer reduce the r smaller or smaller also no problem and bigger also no problem. Raw string will be used for meat break smash is regular expression. Okay. Hmm. Read the contents of the string. Okay. We can read the string of 5 ways using index, using slash, using for low iteration, and enumerable. Okay. I think you know regular expression. Okay. I think you have to listen carefully. I think those is best of some topics are also held in my college, but I can't. I will learn also, but I don't know some perfect knowledge for that. That's why I'm not sharing that. Okay, you are always love that we only some few topics. Some topics also saying this part. Okay, list and list data collection. Okay, we talk about list. What is the list? Okay, list. List means nothing. This is one, two, three, four, five. This is called a list. Ma. This is called list. Mama. Apple. We learn about file handling in Python. Why? What is a file? ఓకే. ఐయామ్ స్టిల్ మీకు చెప్పాలంటే మన ఫోన్‌లో పాటలు ఎక్కించుకుంటాం కదా! ఆ పాటలు అయినా సరే, ఫోటోలు అయినా సరే ఒక దీంట్లో స్టోర్ చేస్తారు. అట్లా ఫైల్స్ అంటే ఉంటాయి. ఆ ఫైల్స్ నుండి పైథాన్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ యూజ్ చేస్తుంది. ఎలాంటి ప్రాబ్లమ్ యూజ్ చేస్తారంటే చెప్తుంది చూడండి. ఇట్స్ పర్ఫామ్ క్రియేటింగ్, రీడింగ్, రైటింగ్ ఫైల్స్. అసలు ఫైల్స్ పని అంటే ఏంటంటే బ్రదర్ అంటే ఫ్రెండ్ అంటే క్రియేట్ అంటే క్రియేట్ చేయడము అండ్ చూడండి మన పాట ఎక్కిస్తే క్రియేట్ చేయడం అంటే రీడ్ చేయండి మన పాట అయినా అదే రీడ్ అయిపోతున్నాం. మెసేజ్ అంటే మెసలం భాష చెప్పుకోవాలంటే రీడ్ అవడం అనమాట. మన భాష చూసుకుంటే వినడం అనమాట. ఓకే, రైట్ మీన్స్ రీడ్ అయ్యే టైంలో రీల్ అండ్ రాసుకోవాలి చూసి అది కూడా మెసేజ్ పెట్టాలి. ఓకేనా. డిలీట్ ఆపరేటర్ ఇన్ ఫైల్స్. Want like it the video, if you want like it the video, we directly delete the video. That is called only the data stored permanently because that where will we have mail or was okay. Which follows mode. Okay, what is the mode? Mode. What is the mode? W right. W plus this is A, not R. This is here A plus. Okay. A for read, W for write, A for append. R plus read plus write plus read, append plus read. Okay, what is those? Already definition as we told. It is a file reading the audio playing, image is playing, that is called as code and file handling to the system. Okay, I think you understand. Okay, append means create new file does not exist. Append means sometimes deleted the video, but suddenly some miss of uneffectively is deleted. How to that is what un does not exist. That is what append. Okay. Different types in file: text file, binary file, node model, text file, notepad file. Okay. Word file, Excel file. You know Excel file because we are always updating to the college as a school or the ever take Excel files or PowerPoint files. Okay. Binary images, video files, those are all. Okay. Um, Those are called learn in my Python, in my knowledge, in my brain. Okay. What you understand, please, any subject, any not only subject, is any topic we want, no, cannot understand, please try to comment section. Then I will learn it. Then I am also try to tell about of the comment of the video. Okay. And now మీకు ఎవరైనా వేడి చేసినా అని చెప్పి అనుకుంటున్నారా? మా తమ్ముడు చూపిస్తాను చూడండి. కనబడట్లేదు.
Hello.